Hey, everybody! Welcome to the Diamond Shine on, you got it, Construct 3. To another video! Let's crack-lackin' on. So today, we are going to be creating a title screen, and games have title screens, and it's kind of like the main menu, and I'll show you the basics, Construct 3, and a bit of pixel art. If you do want a separate video on pixel art, then please do. I can show you that too. It's a free website where you can get everything from, and you can also create your own stuff, like your own assets. Let's get it. You can log in or register. So I've obviously done this already, and this is a really easy tutorial that you guys can follow on. So we're going to launch a guided tour, and we're not going to take it. Now you can open from File or Cloud, just left click and open, or left click on New, which is what we're doing, and we're calling this Project 1. Now you can name this anything you want, but Project 1 is what we're naming it. Now let's do a classic 1920 by 1080, which what it means is 1920, that's 1909. Basically, it's the whole computer screen, so when you, it like fits nicely when you press play. Now, obviously, eventually we want that, and that's what we're going to do some coding. It's not going to be hard coding, but we're going to be doing a bit of coding. Now, optimize for pixel art, like I said, obviously there's like lots of games use pixel art, from like Atari, like Nintendo, like retro games, to like even modern games. You can do it without pixel art. I tend to do, like, especially for the platformers, if I'm not doing a 3D game, I do like pixel art. Sometimes I might do voxel art like Minecraft, like the 3D pixel art for like 3D games, but mainly for 3D games I'll do like actual 3D, like I'll do smooth, like Blender and stuff, but I tend to do it just because I do pixel art and I've got all the assets prepared. Now we're going to click create, and what you're going to see is this. Now you have the right hand side here, and you have properties here, which we are going to mess around with a bit. Now I'm not sure if you can kind of see, but there's a dotted line here and here, and this is what we're working with. So anything outside this will not be seen in the game, but you can like make it bigger, but let's not. Let's keep it 1950 by 1080. Now, what you're going to want to do is click on this, and you're going to go where it says tiled background, and you're going to go here where it says load images from files, and obviously you can add any assets. Now, like I said, pixelart, pixelart.com, left click it, and you can carry on drawing. Obviously I'm doing like some sort of abandoned, like some sort of building, dilapidated building. If you're doing assets, if you want a video, comment down below, and I can do this for you guys. But I've got all the assets prepared. Now you go in here, and obviously depending on where you saved it, I am going to go onto desktop, and that's not what I want to do. Great. Desktop, and also you can also get free images as well. Obviously, just in game stuff, like obviously copyright stuff. Try to make them free to use. I am going to go on assets and this, and obviously if you do it like this, it will have these that you don't want. So double click on it, and obviously you're going to want to do this same canvas size, which is 1920 by 1080. And we are going to click this, exit, and obviously there's this bit here where you can make it bigger. Just keep an eye out so you don't accidentally turn it off. You might want to turn it for now, Control Z, we're doing it big. This bit doesn't matter because like I said you can't see it, but it's mainly this bit. Oh, I can see a bit of it though. Now I'll do this instead, and then I'll wait. this bigger by doing the same concept, applying the same concept. Right, now we have, it's not going to be a good gaming, like this is just for tutorial purposes. Assets. And for assets, you go on here, click on this like little, there you go, this is pixel art, the coloring type, I don't know, basic legends type thing, where it says sprite, click on it, and you're going to click on to load images, and you are going to click on what asset you would like. Now I am going to do a, don't know why that, I'm going to do a 64 by 64, get it a nice rendered image. Wherever you saved it, I suggest you make a folder or something. Now obviously if you want to make like a really proper game, you don't want to be doing this because it's going to stretch it out. You might want it smaller. You might want to make it smaller, for example. Like do this. It's really fidgety, there is probably no way to do this. And stuff, but for now, oh I did it. There we go. We're just going to make it like this. And we are going to do the same for the top. It doesn't matter if it goes out, because we do actually have, so if I click play, so just click on the arrow up there, and left click on the arrow, and if you press F11, then you've got this thing here. Escape, or X left click, and yeah, we are now going to make a play button. Now I do want to show you another feature as well. I created my own play button, which is play. Just applied it like similar concepts for quit and stuff, and like I said, there is a bit of coding involved, just a bit. Drag and drop, and 64 by 64. You don't have to, but I just don't want it to be really blurry, because, and that might be on my behalf, when you upload some images, it can be like not on Construct, but I personally, like if I go into my files and I show you some of the images I have got, let's say I want to do any image on, it might sometimes be blurry, kind of like how this is. I mean, this is just stretched out, but it'll be like really blurry. How do I show this? Anyway, you get the idea. I've got all the assets saved, but they can be pretty blurry and small. Now, so I want to show you different assets, different way of doing this. So you see here, you've got the properties on the left hand side. If you don't, you can just like make it bigger or smaller, just so you can see. Now, what you are going to do is, first of all, apply the same thing, but this time with text, and click text here. Now, you are going to name this. Let's say I want to call this spacebar. Either click on it or press it in the middle, or click on it. I don't know, let's call it space tutorial game, or tutorial title screen. I don't know, just space. So you can obviously backspace, just space it, or you can just do this and it's space. You can just like keep it clicked, enter, do that. But for now, what I am going to do is just do space and click OK. As you can see, it's quite small. So that's why obviously there's a lot of stuff on this properties panel, but I personally think we should do it white, just because of the way I've done the assets, like the moon and like the rocky. backspace thing, and you can obviously change Arial to whatever thing, obviously really like whatever type of writing you want. But what you do want to do, and obviously there's layers and size, what you do want to do, Arial, or what you do want to do is you want to change the font. Now you can do it by clicking down or up. I'm just focusing properly on the arrow, and it does make a difference. Or you can just type it in. So backspace and enter. And obviously now you're gonna have to make this bigger, so it fits. Let's say I want to make this a 100. Is that too much? No, that is not too much. I mean, it's not like the proper level, but yeah, it's not a good game thing. It's just for the tutorial purposes. Now, as you can see, we only have one layout, and we want more. And on the start page and the event sheet. Also, you can save your project by clicking on this floppy disk. There's like a floppy disk icon, and save project. But for now, we are going to go on event sheet 1. Now there is a bit of a thing here, but I will show you. So you go to add event, and before you do this, actually, you go on to here, and where it says layout, not layout 1, layouts, you click on it, and you add a new layout without an event sheet. You can do it with or without. We just need add layout only. Okie dokie. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we are going to do is go to event sheet. Obviously there's only one event sheet, so we click not add the event sheet. And we are going to go on, for this, we're going to go on click. So double click, and we are going to either double click, or I'll show you this method as well. Right click on the mouse, insert, and you can type it in, mouse. Either double click it or insert, and we've added a mouse. So we're going to add an event, and we are doing mouse on click. Obviously you can do it like the other one, like I showed you on the other one, on the mouse, on click. Obviously there's a reason, like if it doesn't show up, it just doesn't show up on click. But I'm just going to do it on click, like this. And next, or double click. Now you can do it anyone, middle, left. I am going to do it on the left hand side. And you are going to click done. Now, you're going to add action, or you can add more than stuff, but you're going to add action. And what you're going to do is you're going to go onto system. And you are going to go to this is it. Go to layout 2 and click done. I will do it this way as well, just to go quick. I can click done with the on the left of the mouse. So it is as simple as this. Now let's say you want to insert something else on this one, for this one, so just left click like I showed you before, or insert. I know there are timelines and stuff, and if you want more, I will learn more and I will do more. But obviously from down below, I will, if you want to see pixel art, but all you need is just insert new object, or double click, left click, and I will show you this too. Now, what you can do here is, obviously I'm going to show you this, so instead of, you can obviously do your own drawing, you can also make assets on this, you can do this. Obviously this is really easy to paint on, because like if I change the opacity, or if I change the size, you can make like pixels, and obviously it'll take longer to color. But for now, let's just do this. Let's say I want to make an alien, because it's space, right? I don't know. With googly eyes. This is not good, you know what I mean, we get the idea. Look like the Monster Inc. So, obviously you can do this. You can also do the fill bucket tool if you want things to be even quicker. Oh, I like this. Whoa. Or this. You can do straight lines. Like, just left click it, and then just... He looks mad. No way. Whatever. So you then click on the X, left click on the X, and you're going to make this big. And now, if you go on to layout 1, and you click play, this, not this, this, with, so not the one here, this one, with left click on the mouse, make this full screen by clicking on here and making it big, left click, F11, and if you click play, you go on to this. Now see, as I was saying before, because it didn't cover up the whole thing, you can do this, so just be mindful that sometimes it does rotate, unless you want that. Just make it big by using this, just like you on Word or PowerPoint. And let's see if it works now. Obviously, if you want like straighter lines, just make it like straight, but I just did this for a purpose of showing you, and you can make it way better, and obviously, but this would be the game. F11, F11 again, get out, and yeah, this is a really easy and simple tutorial. Hope this video wasn't too long, and I really hope you enjoyed. And also, like I said, I'll say it again, comment down below if you want to see or be shown how to use pixelart.com, free to use website, and thank you so much. See you later. Bye!